আমি তো আপনার লাগাহি সিটিজেন আছে কেতসাপো মানুহ আছে যিমান পাৰিব নাগামিজতে কথা কৰি চাব যদি নাম কিবা পাহৰিছে এটো হইলে ইংলিশতে ক'ব আচ্ছা लास्ट ईयर আমি ইয়াতে আহা টাইমতে আপনার ভিলেজ আমাকে অনার করেছে It is a great gesture for me. I belong to this village and I am very proud of that. Ajiyati, apuni khan sab aise, beshi manu khan to. बस्ती ते जाए अपना खेती ते जाए ऐसे बिजी ऐसे ये तो टाइम तो आजिकाली तो सब लगा काम लगा टाइम ऐसे ये तो होइले भी ये तो स्कूल बच्चा खाना इसे अपनी भी टाइम स्पेयर करी कि ना जी साब लगा पोर्ट्रेट ऑनर करी बोले आदि से ये तो भी ते मोर बेशी खुशी ऐसे बेशी थैंक्स मजा हो ओके मजा तो हो now you are my fellow citizens. Sri Seretsu Rakho Sahab, Dukhai Sahab, Akhoi, I have been keeping in touch with him. I cannot keep in touch with all of you because there is a communication problem. पहले भी चाय लोगों कथा करी के ना आमी आही लगा instruction ताई के दिबो या कि आमी की करी बोले मन आसे ताई लोगों discuss करिबो ये तो करा पीछे ते ताई अपना लोगों कथा करी के ना आमा के जनाई खाके ये तो निश्चय कम्युनिकेशन तो अलग अलग कोई ऐसे तो 50 तो ये तो साल तो नेक्स्ट 26 के VDB फॉर्म हुआ तो 50 इयर्स को बोले ऐसे ये तो निमित्ते ये तो भी एक था 5 almost it is a after 10 years new generation comes so ये तो 5th generation भी जाएगा इसे और तो होइले भी अपना लोग और नागालैंड से VDB लगा नाम तो चलाया ऐसे so I am very proud to be here as one of your citizens and I hope and pray that as long as I can I will try and travel and as much as possible try and help you in whichever way possible just अभी तो यही कथा होता बोले ऐसे तो क्या ही आमी लव फेथ हो इनका कोई से कथा कोई से पहले भी काली ही आमी लगा शादी के 54 इयर्स पैसे सात और नौ एक लोगों 50 इयर्स तक ताई लोगों में याती आई से बेशी भाल लगाने जगह से आणि तो याती थाका तो बेशी खुशी पाहिजे मन ते तो एकदम भाल मानू तो एकदम सिंपल वेलकमिंग भाल असे आजिकाली तो लोग मानू खान कोई आम्ही तो इंग्लिश शिकी असे स्कूल ते जाई असे तो निमित्ते आम्ही रांगोर मानू होईसे इने का नाम है अपनी एक दूसरे के मरम करी बोलागे अपना निजोर ट्रेडिशन है तो की असे तो पाबी बोलागे तो लगा डेवलपमेंट करी बोलागे और नागा मानू तो किमान स्किल असे तो इमान स्किल तो कोनो दूसरा जाति ते ना पाए not only Nagaland every tribe basically weaving as a basket making as a your खेती itself is an art to make this June खेती also now that was an art developed by you in a very difficult circumstances difficult terrain you people have survived you people have done खेती so it is a skill which is next generation aha to eko na इनका ना कभी वो लगेगा इसे तो पुराना ऐसे तो आने का लाजी खाली ना कोई वो इनका तो ना कभी वो लगे नूतन भी लोग लगे और की पुराना बस अपना स्किल ऐसे ये तो भी प्राउड करी के ना ये तो इनकी को लगे आजिकाली तो सब मानुखान कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल हाथ से लेके ना थाके तो मोबाइल नहीं सब ना है मोबाइल आमा के बेया ज्ञान भी থাকে बया शिक्षण भी থাকে और भाल भी किबा जो हिंदी बोले ऐसे ये तो अमी खान नेट पर इंग्लिश का की बोला के की থাকে से बाकी तो अभी की चीज को ये तो अपनी आगे एकदम डिमांड है. I will try my level best. I suggest that you can give me some thought proposal and what you want to do and what the institution needs. And I will try and forward it to the government and see what best we can do. And I will do the following. But अपनी यहाँ हो to decide. Now again, I am here again. Last year I had come here. Today I am back here with the grace of God and with the love of you people that gave me the strength to travel all the way and come and be with you. Next year, this will be 50 years which we are celebrating, and Ketsapo will be the first village, so it has an honor and it is initiating in many ways. You are the initiators in many ways. All other Naga people have followed you after you made the VDB. And now VDB is part of every village. It has evolved. It has changed. It may have given you something good earlier. It may not be reaching to you in a good way just now possible. There are many things which change over the period. But we must also try and develop and accept the new things which are there in a good way. Ketsapo was the start of something special. An initiative that empowered the collective village to look at what is required developmentally and get it done. They did it all together, sitting together. They decided what they want and they did it and made it possible. All of you are the reason for this initiative and all of you are the reason for this success. Then, today I would like to say that here are many people, they don't have computers in the village school, no? Or do they have?
Some will have, but not all.
No, in the school do they have?
We have 2-3 schools.
Okay. But do they have computers in the school?
Some are having, some are having.
Okay. But what I was thinking that we can initiate the computer lab kind of thing in your library instead of keeping the books, for which I will send you the 2 lab computers, the desktop computers, and then in the meantime you can tell me which school people or the teachers can do the training. But those will be placed in a proper place. They will be used properly, turn by all the villages. It will not be taken or displaced and kept it in some school or in someone's home. That should not be done. And let us see if you, because all this AI, ChatGPT are the new things which our children should have access to. Let us see if we can give that to them. So that much I will try and see that I will try and send these 2 computers to you, desktops, and you need not give my name to the ground, but we will try and definitely get it done. But I request you to give me the proposal so that I can try and send it to the people concerned and try to get it done as much as possible. And as I told you, yesterday was our wedding anniversary. And today I am here, so I feel very proud to be amongst you with the memory of my husband and to be with you, with whom you all people appreciate, remember and love so much. So I am very much grateful to you for that. Today we are here celebrating the unveiling of his portrait, because last time when I came there was no portrait. Many new people know only the name of my husband. They don't know how he looked, where he was, and maybe it is not their fault. Over the time people forget. So now it is more than 50 years, so almost 5 generations have gone. So I have decided that at least you people will be able to know. And those people who are only preparing for Nagaland's Public Service Commission exams and all, they learn all these things and whatever work he has done. But the basic thing was the collective work, because that started because your village already had that system. You all people used to come together, do the common work, and then, as if I remember correctly, the VDB started only because of the community work which you had performed either on some road or some building for which you had received some money. So it was the idea of you people only. Only Mr. Gokhale tried to give it a formal rules, regulations, so that it should not be misappropriated. But there are different kinds of people. There are good people, there are bad people everywhere. But let us try and follow only the good things and the good people. And in all of us, there is always something good and something bad. So let us try to evolve what is good. Let us try to help each other as much as possible. And now, you know how, up till now, whatever VDB has changed your life, that was in your own way of thinking. Now with the computers at your disposal, and with ChatGPT and AI, and with the new generation which is coming, I hope they will get access to the broader world, broader technology, and new world which has in front of them. VDB provides a foundation, so let us try and make this computer lab as a foundation for the future growth, future development, and future new look or outlook which you will be able to get. What worked for 50 years may not be relevant now. So let us try and do something which is more relevant with today's world, which will be more appreciated and liked by the children, and they will take interest in it. But just remember that all of you have so much. Now all the young children, I am asking, how many of you know the living? The girls. Ajikali hiki ase na nai? ना नहीं के पहिला तो सब माइकी खान जाने ये तो एक ता स्किल आसे ये तो अपनी आगे जाए के ना करी ले भी ये तो हिकी को लगे all small skills you must have that will give you strength, that will give you more confidence और ये तो confidence लोई के ना आगे जाको लगे ये तो DC मैडम ये तो SP मैडम को आलिशी ना तो अपनी एकदम भाल करी के ना एक लोग दूसरा के मरण करी के ना एक साथ मिली के ना की काम करी बोले आसे ये तो करी बोलागे मरण पर ही सब बेसी डेवलपमेंट बेसी भाल एटमॉस्फेयर तो होई थाके ये तो अपनी करी भी as I promised you give me the proposal I will try and see what best I can do and I will try and send you. We will discuss about this computer, how it has to be worked, what facilities are there, whether router have to be put, what can be done. And I think either, I don't know where you would like to put it, that you have to decide and you have to tell me. But most probably, Mr. Vamuzo's library will be the best place to put it so that we will be honoring Mr. Vamuzo also. Because without Mr. Vamuzo's initiative and blessing, this VDB program wouldn't have been possible. It was not only the vision of Mr. Gokhale, but it was the total backing of your leader, the Chakhesang leader, Mr. Vamuzo, that this has been able to see this day. After 50 years also, it is still surviving in some form or the other. Let us try and take it into the new era, new development and new form, which will be all your contribution and your legacy. So, whatever little small contribution I can make with that legacy, I will try and do my level best. Thank you very much for honoring me to be part of this village. I am honored and I am assuring you that my children also will come and visit you soon because they also feel proud that they are the citizens of this village. Thank you very much.